Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we break down challenging words and learn how to pronounce them correctly. Today, we're focusing on a long and tricky medical term, phenylketonuria. Let's learn how to say it step by step. This word is often mispronounced as phenylketonuria or phenylketonuria. It's definitely a mouthful, but don't worry, I'll help you master it. The correct pronunciation is phenylketonuria. Let's break it into three parts. First part, phenyl, like feel with a slight N sound in the middle. Second part, keto, sounds like keto. Third part, nuria, smooth and flowing like nu plus re plus a. Altogether, it's pronounced phenylketonuria. Let's practice together. Say it slowly. Phenylketonuria. Now, let's say it faster. Phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria. Great work. Did you know? Phenylketonuria, or PKU for short, is a rare genetic disorder where the body can't properly process an amino acid called phenylalanine. If left untreated, it can lead to developmental issues, but it's usually managed with a special diet. It's one of the conditions tested in newborn screening programs in many countries. Now you can confidently pronounce phenylketonuria. Isn't it amazing to conquer such complex words? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment suggesting other words you'd like me to cover, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. See you next time.